Hi, I'm Laia. Today we're gonna crochet this cute bellflower together. You can change the color as you want and make it into brooch or any accessories. Here I use the orange color yarn to make you watch more clearly because the white always got overexposed by my camera. Okay, first we start with a magic circle and have 6 single crochet on the magic circle. Join the first row with a slip stitch and 1 chain stitch to start the row 2. In the row 2, we have 6 increase, which means 2 single crochet in 1 foundation stitches, so you will have total 12 stitches in the row 2. Join the round with a slip stitch and 1 chain stitch to start the row 3. In the row 3, we have 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat set 6 times until you have total 18 stitches in the row 3. For the row 4 to 7, you need to do 18 single crochet on each row. Here is the body part of the bellflower. I will meet you at the end of the row 7. At the row 7, join the row with a slip stitch and 1 chain stitch to start the row 8. In the row 8, we need to narrow down the flower with decrease stitch. That means we have 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet decrease. Repeat it 6 times until you have total 12 stitches on the row 8. At row 9, we start to crochet the petals. The 1 petal combined by the 6 different stitches. Layer 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the same foundation stitch. Here I made a mistake. The stitch should be a double crochet, not half double crochet. I found this mistake when editing the video. I'm so sorry. Please just follow the text instruction. Repeat the set 6 times until you have total 6 petals. Now I have a nice little bellflower, just made another one. Okay, let's do in the leaf part. We start with the 16 chain stitch. And we have one single crochet from the last 2 stitches. Then you will have a half double crochet and 3 double crochet. One half double crochet and 1 single crochet. One slip stitch. Then repeat set 4 times. Okay, here is the last part, chain part. Just have 20 to 30 chain stitches. Actually, it's up to you. If you like your chain more longer, just make it to 30. Insert the chain from the middle of the leaf and adjust the length. Now you have a nice beautiful bellflower. I'm Laia. I will update crochet tutorial continually. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.